Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is KB Worth Saving 101, and I'm KB, Kim Baker. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. I'm a lifetime thrifter. I'm a reseller on the Poshmark app. I'm sending boxes into Thredup and expanding my horizons every week. So if you are interested in reseller content and haul videos, then do me a favor and please hit that subscribe button down below because it will really help me out. This happens to be Thredup Tuesday. So I'm going to give you the rundown of the week and let you know what happened, what things I learned, and how's it all going. If you watched last week's, I did end up placing that order. I did receive my credit. So they had 50% off for Mother's Day, and I purchased items because I had 3 items that I had to reclaim. So I'm either going to pay like $5.88 on shipping, or I can place an order and get free shipping. Now, I did just get on Instagram, one of my girlfriends, she told me she only bought 1 item for like $15 and she got free shipping. So I'm trying that next time, okay? But this time I did place like a $79 order to get the free shipping, and also I had 50% off. I was purchasing Luxe items. Unfortunately, my order has not arrived yet. This is a holiday weekend. I am filming this early, and so I don't have that to show you, but I will next week, I betcha, huh? So what I am going to tell you is what's sold this week and how it's going. So I did have 1 box that got checked in. There was 2 that's been waiting. The other box has not been processed yet. The 1 box that did get processed started processing Thursday, and then by Friday I had already sold an item. There we go. And that happened to be a, let's see, Adrian Vittadini, like knit jogger pants. They were new with tags. And I will receive a $31.10 payout after that 45-day return the policy that they have. So, fast, quick. That was awesome. I have noticed that the items do seem a lot more active because, of course, they're in the just in. So I might change my pricing strategy a little bit around. On the items that I know that go into goodie bags, I'll probably keep them at the full high end of that 80% value. But on some of my other items, I think I might drop them a little quicker. I'm not sure. So I'll play around and let you know how that goes. I did have 1 other item, and it sold today. It was a Chico's. It was beautiful, ombre blue, and it was a crinkle skirt, maxi. I had bought 2 of the 2 skirts of Chico's in the same thrift haul that I had done, and the 1 cream boho one sold within like 48 hours, and my blue one that's gorgeous I just have been sitting on for a long time. So I just finally said, you know what, they're selling Chico's. So I sent it in. So that one got pulled for a goodie bag. So as soon as that gets mailed out, I will get $18.15. So that's phenomenal. You know, would I have made more on Poshmark? Probably, because I list them a lot higher and I would have received more. But in all honesty, I want things rolling, moving, selling, going. Let's, you know, have it on high roll. And it sold quick. So yes. Anyway, so those are my sales for this week. Now let's get to our rejects of the week. No, of the box. All right. I did open this up because, yeah, I already tried filming and it took me forever to try to unwrap this purse. They wrapped it like a present and they had tape on the inside, tape on the outside. It was wrapped very nicely. Now, I'm not going to say that I'm surprised because I really didn't think they were going to accept this, but I thought I would push my boundaries since they accepted 2 pairs of shoes, which one of them sold last week. They were ugly mule clerks. Ugh. But anyway, I made really good money on those dark things. But they were, I kind of questioned those shoes' condition. So I thought, well, let me push the boundaries and see how I go here. But this has aged metal, and there's no way to, you know, you can't clean it up. It's not like it's tarnished. Unfortunately, I find that a lot of my Brighton purses, their metal ages But the rest of this purse is in absolutely mint condition, and it's a basket purse, a bucket basket purse. Oh, there we go. And it has this absolutely adorable, look at that bandana and lining. So I can't wait. Honestly, I've sold a lot of Brighton purses, and in some in not so great shape, and some are really old and funky, and I think this will fly out the door. So I'm actually excited. I can't wait to list that. All right, on to the other stuff. And I'll tell you what I'll be sending back or what I think I'm just going to keep. I thought I had it here on the top. Hold on. There is one item. Oh, it is. I left it out of the box because I wanted to make sure I showed you. All right, so this actually was my Luxe item. I had ordered this from Thredup, and they rejected it. Personally, I thought when I first got it, I'm like, really? Is that a designer brand? It is Calvin Klein Collection, which I don't know if it's on its current, if it's on the current Luxe brand list, but it was on the old one, and so I ordered it. It is a beautiful rust. It is a very simple sleeveless V-neck. It has a little bit of a funky kind of back gathering back there, and I thought it was like maybe, I don't know if that was like altered or whatever, because I'm like, really, would a designer do that? But anyway, I purchased it from them, and I sent it back to them, and they rejected it. So, I don't know. I might send it back into them. We'll see. I probably will, because I don't know. All right. Keep moving. Keep moving. So these are Talbot size 8. They are just a flat front side zipper entry pants, and they're probably crop because they do have like the cutout on the ankles down there. They're in perfect shape, and yes, I definitely will be sending these back in. This is a Talbot size 16 eyelet sleeveless sheath sundress. You see that? And I don't know, maybe I'll send this back in too. I might not. That one I might just list. I have a cabbie top. This is a size medium. And oh, this thing feels like, oh, it's so soft. I can't even begin to tell you. So yes, I don't know. I might send that back in. All right, this is a funny story about this one because I know somebody, I watched their video, and she sent in the exact same dress. I don't know, I can't remember what size hers was, but mine's a 2. And so mine got rejected. I will have to see if hers got rejected because I think that's quite hysterical. But it's a Calvin Klein. So I probably will be sending this back in unless we both absolutely got rejected, and then who knows. But it was listed in my Poshmark closet, so all I have to do really is reactivate my listing, and away I go. This happens to be Lottie and Holly, Band of Gypsies, little sundress, and it's just really super cute. It has this keyhole cut out in the back. So this was like a lower end item. I tried mixing up my boxes so that I had some higher end, I had some lower end, so that things would sell and move. Let's see, this is Ann Taylor Petites. It's 100% silk. 10p. I don't know if it's petites or what, but kind of disappointed they didn't take this one. It is a sleeveless. It's like a sheath dress. It has this like apron cross front, and it has a little bit more detailing with a pattern down below. It is in purple, so this was already listed in my Poshmark closet. That's fine. I'll reactivate it, and maybe I'll send it back. Maybe I won't. Who knows? All right. This was also listed in my Poshmark closet as a White House Black Market size 6, and it's this little dress with like this, I don't know, Puritan. I think Puritan actually has a slit in the front. Anyway, Pilgrim, I don't know, something neckline, and this silver detailing there. I'll just reactivate that, and maybe I'll try to send it in again. Disappointed on these. These were not listed in my Poshmark closet. I hate listing pants, so I'll definitely send these back. These are Trina Turk, size 6, just a dress pant, flat front, straight legged, in this like gray, like a knit kind of, almost like a, like, I don't know, stretchy. It's really soft. So I'll send those back in, definitely. All right, these, okay, here we go. Start off with, there's 3 that were already listed in my Poshmark closet, and I'll just reactivate them, and I probably won't send them back in. This is an Ann Taylor Madison skirt. They're an older style. I thought I'd give it a shot. It's a really cute stripe, a size 8, and then I have 2 that are size 6, and so I've got this one that's a same Ann Taylor Madison, size 6, and I have another Ann Taylor Madison, size 6. So, yeah, those were bad buys on my end. It's when I first started, and yeah, we didn't make those mistakes. I paid like $5 a piece for the darn things. Now, I just want to get rid of them. So I'll relist them in my Poshmark closet, I'll reactivate the listing, and actually then hit that relist button now that we have it, and yeah, go from there. Now, this one I have not had listed in my closet, and it is an Ann Taylor. What size are you? 10, petite. I'm going to watch those petites. I'm not quite sure if they like them. And it has this gold reflectant. This would be a great holiday skirt. And I have no problem listing this in my closet. I don't know. They might have thought that this was too of an old style. All right, so this reminds me of, I don't know, like a Julie Garland 60s. Can't you just see this with like a little jacket with the Puritan collar and gloves with a little like handled clutch purse? I'm like, oh my gosh, don't forget the hat. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to list that, and I'll probably give really good descriptions like that, and I'll put that in my Poshmark closet. Odd things always sell for me, so I think that'll really go. All right. Leather jackets. I have sent 2. I got 2 back. These didn't have any belts, so I was hoping that they took them, but anyway, so this one's a nice zip up. I might try this one back on. I think it was too tight in my shoulders. That's why I sent it in. But it is Newport News. It's a size 10. So, I don't know. I'll probably send it back in. This one is more of a vintage Oscar Pila perfect letter, made in the USA. I always get that song. That's going to my head now. All right, and this one's just a button up. It didn't have a belt either. It's in great condition, so I don't know. I might send this one back in. I already have some leathers that I have listed in my Poshmark closet. I just don't like how they weigh so much. Anyway, that is what they sent back to me. If you have any questions, or if I'm not giving you information that you guys are looking for or need, please do me a favor and leave a comment down below, so that way I can go through and steer in the right direction. But until next week, take it easy, guys. I hope you have a great Memorial Day.